Hi, welcome to the channel. And today we are going to explore why 0.999 repeated is equal to 1. Most people think this is wrong. But what if I told you this equation is actually true? Here are three simple proofs that 0.999 repeating is equal to 1, and another bonus quick Python demo that proves it numerically. Let's get started. So, first, we are going to explore the fraction trick. So, we all know 1/3 is 1/3. Well, it's 0.333 repeating in decimals. And now, when we multiply the fraction by 3, we get 1. And when we multiply the decimal by 3, we get 0.9999. So on the left, we get 1, and on the right, we get 0.9999, which means that 1 is equal to 0.9999 repeated. They are the same number. Now let's explore the algebra trick. So let's say x is equal to 0.9999 repeated. Now multiply both sides by 10 and then subtract the first equation from the second. That gives us 9x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 1. But remember, x is equal to 0.9999 repeated, meaning 0.9999 repeating is equal to 1. Boom. There. Algebra wins again. Now let's look at some number line intuition. Maybe you still just feel like they're different. For now, let's look at the number line. See, 0.9 is very close to 1, and 0.99 is even closer, and then 0.999 is even closer, and it goes on. So every time we add another 9 to the decimal, the distance to 1 becomes 10 times smaller. So there is no final gap between 0.9999 repeated and 1. So mathematically, they represent the exact same point on the number line. Here is a quick Python demo. Now let's test this idea with Python. We can just use a short for loop to add the 9s forever. Well, almost. Below is the code. And we first define x as 0. Then we use a loop to make the result get closer and closer to 1. Like 0.9, 0.99, 0.999, and then 0.9999, and then goes on forever. Almost. Well, the computer never reaches 1 exactly because it can do infinite steps, but math can. That's the power of infinity. So now that you've seen 3 proofs and even a quick code demo that 0.9999 is equal to 1, that repeated is equal to 1, I mean. So if someone tells you they're different now, you can show them this video. This is Infinite Discoveries. We explore Python, history, and math, one idea at a time. So if you like this video, hit subscribe, give it a like, and tell me in the comments. Do you accept that 0.9999 repeated is equal to 1 now that you've seen the video? Yes or no?